First of all, we just gonna take advantage of this natural lighting because, honey, I'm a vampire. I am never up during the day and I probably look amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ciegi and today I just got a new ring light in, so I'm gonna be opening. Wow, why did I just make that so hard? I'm gonna be opening it with y'all. I'm gonna put it together. This should be interesting because I'm really bad at like following directions. Who would have thought I'm in the military? I'm so bad at following directions. Anyway, I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna do it, filming it, and then give a little review. Okay. If you're new here, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please. You know, just tap it. And if you've been here, thank you for your support. So let's get started. I was not expecting this thing to be that big. It's huge. All right, y'all, so I moved it to my room. So let's see. I know I got this knife. I'm like, go get you. Lord, I'm over it already. This natural girl struggle is real. Y'all know I'd be a fake natural anyway, but this natural struggle, honey, I'm gonna be weaved up by the end of this week because I cannot. Pop quiz, where's that from? I can't. That's from the baddest puta, Miss Jocelyn Hernandez herself. When she was about to give birth. I cannot. I love loving hip hop. I really need to stop watching it because it's so bad, but it's so good. It's so good. Like I cannot. It's like my unhealthy addiction. I got this mirror from Neewer. Yeah, I've seen a couple other YouTubers talk about it, so I was like, I'll try it out, you know. Y'all, I'm tired. Dang. I got my ring light. Halo. Okay. Alright, so there's that. I don't see any instruction, guys. Y'all know everyone needs some instructions. Because I don't do well without them. I don't do well with them, but I damn sure don't do well without them. Okay? I'm trying to open this box back. Well, open it up right just in case I need to send it back because I don't like Amazon, y'all. I usually don't order off of there. I know, shocker. I really don't like Amazon. Okay. Came with some instructions. Step 1. I need to get the light stand assembled. Oh, Lord. There's a light stand, honey? I'm stressed. Hold the middle pole of the light stand with one hand. Okay, I'm not going to read all this. Step 3, installation of the color mount. So I guess this doesn't come on it. Pop these off. But I'm gonna use this one because why not, sis? It's on. It also has this one. Oh goodness. These things. Probably not gonna use it. This is for your phone. Oh, got a little wireless situation. Okay, honey. So what do? We hook this thing on to, oh Lord, okay. Hold on, this missed the stuff. Cause how y'all go from setting up the stand to, you didn't tell me how to put the light on there. Oh yeah, y'all did. Now, place the ball head. Ball head scallywag. Ain't got no head in the bag. Your head is messed up. Ooh, ooh, chicken, chicken. Chicken head. Boy, please, whatever. Okay, I'm excited. Alright, this goes there. Let's see. Oh, bitch. Yes. Okay, let's get on camera. I'm excited. Alright, y'all, so I am done setting up the light. It's on probably the highest setting right now, so it probably looks bright as because it is bright. The disrespect, it is bright in my eye, okay? Y'all could probably see every crevice and cranny. Thus far, I would say I like it. I like it. It was easy to set up. And yeah, I feel like it's going to do what I need to do. Again, I don't have a front facing camera yet, so I could be looking a hot mess, but I feel like I look glamorous. Like, I can already see all the selfies. Or the selfie. Call me the selfie queen, okay? I also like that it had the little wireless keychain with it, so I'm probably gonna see if I can hook my camera up to it, because I think this camera does have Bluetooth capabilities. Look how I said the right thing. So yeah, I like this. I like it. So my first little investment, maybe next I'll get a camera or some more lights, who knows? But I really needed these lights because I'm staying on nights probably, hopefully until I get out the military. It's a step in the right direction, so. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.